Alright guys, today we got a Chevy Equinox. Got an issue where the door opens and closes from the outside, but does not close or open from the inside. So here you go.
So, this is a 2008 Chevy Equinox. They're the same from 06 to 08, and the Pontiac Torrent, same style. So what we're doing today, we're going to be taking the door handle. The cable doesn't work from the inside, so we're either guessing the cable's broken or it came off. So we're going to take the door panel off and show you guys how to fix the cable. All right. So you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, and a 10mm. First thing you're going to do, your Phillips, there's a little screw in here that holds the panel on next to the handle. Okay, pull that out of there. Set everything aside. This panel just pops out. Okay, move your handle. Behind the lock switches. Okay. Gotta just pry that out of there. There you go. It's tough, but you're not gonna break it. Okay. Next thing, this trim piece right here actually comes off. So start from the back. I've already done this once actually, and they're like, it came off again. So I'm gonna figure out what the problem is this time. So that just pops off of there. Then you got your two 10mm in here. I got the little impact guns to make it quick, so you don't have to watch me try to use a ratchet. Nice to have some tools. And then you're gonna take flat screwdriver, putty knife, whatever. You take this off first, where your speaker is. Okay, you can disconnect it if you want, just to get it out of the way completely. There is a little tab. You just pull it out. Okay. You could start from over here in the corner. There's little push pin. See if you can see in there. Thing comes right off. Obviously, you can tell they're just little clips. Okay. All right. So this just pops off. When you put it back on, you can line it up with these two holes here. Okay. So that off to the side. You're gonna take your foam. This is gonna be glued in here, so you're gonna have to kind of tear it away. Okay, obviously I took this off already once, so that's why it comes off. All right, so in here, this is actually not a cable. This is actually a rod for this car. So, okay, as you can see, this one's simple. I'll take it apart kind of so you guys could see this. No, it didn't break. It just came off. So there's a, let me see if I can see underneath. So there's a little clip. Where am I? Here we go. There's a little clip in here that holds the rod in place. Okay, so your rod goes up in here first. Okay, and your little clip comes around and locks it in. And that's it. That's all that is holding that in there. So yeah, if you go in here and you just start flipping your door handle and are really aggressive with it, it'll pop off. Usually, so they make this piece because this was actually broken once. That was actually broken, so that's what I replaced. It's just a Torx head in here. It's probably a T Johnny, bring the green Torx heads over here, and I'll tell you guys exactly what size it is. There's a Torx head there, and that's basically it. You take this whole bracket, comes with the whole bracket. Here we go. It is your next size up. Okay, so it's gonna be your T27 Torx. Okay, so that way you guys, or all right, that size of it. All right, so a T30. Okay, so a T30 Torx, and this whole piece you can go online and they'll sell you the whole door latch piece. All right, but it's pretty simple. It's not hard. Make sure this goes back in its clip too. Okay. So usually there would be a cable, kind of the same thing. There's a little slot that the cable will drop in, and then you turn it and it keeps it from coming out, kind of like this same idea. So hopefully this helps you guys. All right, pretty simple, and then everything is reversed. If you guys find this helpful, enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for us. We got all kinds of different stuff on the channel, and we'll see you next time.